Of course, you can always say, as people do, if the Buddhas are able infinitely to help sentient beings, why is the world in such a mess? Well, you must never forget that everybody who isn't a fully enlightened Buddha is a confused, unenlightened Buddha. And that means you can put up a tremendous resistance to being awakened. How is it people ever become enlightened then? It's because enlightened beings, Buddhas, have a slight edge on us. To become confused requires extra energy and almost a special kind of focus. It's almost a kind of power in its own right to be confused. And therefore, because our energy is caught up with creating that confusion, it's possible for the Buddhas to get at us. It's the same as I was talking about earlier when I say it's the possibility of gurus being able to get at us through and in spite of our confusion. If we can be persuaded to relax enough, you might say. Buddhahood really is like an infection that goes from one person to another. You can fight it off, but it's a pity if you do that.